So I got a smart Android TV box and let's see what it comes with. Let me try opening it up. Okay, so it has YouTube, Netflix, HBO, all of those things built in. And the Amazon listing said it's 4K. So I don't have a 4K TV right now with me, but maybe I can hook it up and upload some pictures from home. So oops. It comes with a box. There's the power. Oh, nice. It has the optical out, 3mm, HDMI, Ethernet, and 2 USB ports, and 5 volts, 2 amperes. I wish they could have, instead of giving a power adapter like this, they could have just given a micro USB input. That would have been fantastic. The other thing that it comes with is an HDMI cable and a full controlled video box. Let me set it up and take it for a spin. So I connected and it's showing time as 4 p.m. and just put it 2 connections right now. One is an HDMI and then the other one is the power cord. So give me a sec. So it's loading now on the TV. It's a beautiful interface. I wouldn't say it's bad. I think it needs to update the time. Today is definitely not the 31st of December, but maybe let me get it connected and set up on Wi-Fi. So now it's set up. I've just launched the YouTube app. Let me show you how I launched it. Okay. So there you go. So I'm going to search for a few 4K Ultra HD videos, saying since this is a 4K device. Let's see the first one.
Red Lobster's 3-course shrimp feast, soup or salad.
And it's a YouTube ad, so nothing I can do about it. But yeah, you can see there is no rendering issue. It's working great. I think the quality and everything, again, it's a function of TV as well, but I guess the box is functioning great around that. Let me go back to home screen and see if we can do something more. The other cool thing that I liked is that it comes with Play Store, which is not very common in a lot of Android boxes that I have tried. So you can go to your Play Store and maybe look for things or some apps that you're basically looking for. Gives a lot of flexibility. Apart from that, they also have APK Pure, which lets you sideload a lot of apps through the internet. And APK Pure is one of those websites that I have used for years together. They are not uploading any funny versions. It's always the real version, and the digital signatures are always matching. And then it has a app folder where you can go and see a lot of different apps. I've not loaded any new app right now, but you can see it's pretty well loaded. Overall, so far, first impression, great response, a great box. You can clean memory right from there. There you go. Got some external app. And yeah, if you need more, let me know. Thanks.